Well, finally broke down and bought another grinder. Metabo, this in here, this green one. I picked up somewhere around about 60 bucks, something like that. Maybe with taxing, maybe about 65 or something like that. You know what I mean? It came with about 5 of these grinding discs, and then of course you got the tool. You know, this is the wrench that hooks onto the bottom down here. It's for these pieces here. You know, to tighten up your. Yes, I got a disc. Good. This one came with it. And then, like I said, I think it came with 5, so it'd be about, let's see how many's here. 1, 2, 1. Altogether, 5. These 5 discs. One was on it. One was on like this right here. I didn't put that other piece in it, did I? Actually, it comes with a, you know, you have to put this piece here in there first. Like this. And it kind of locks in there, and then this goes on it, and then this piece here goes on top. Then you got your wrench. You tighten it, and then of course there's a little button right here on the top, and kind of wait until it goes down in, and then tighten it up pretty decent. You know. A 6.2 amps, don't seem too bad. Seems like might be a pretty good little grinder. I normally don't grind metal. Sometimes I do. I have some I mess with, maybe here and there, but not that often. I normally use these sanding discs because I work with logs and different things like that. And it's nice to use them, but you can't use these sanding discs inside a shop. I mean, there's no way getting air out of the dust, the filtered air that fast. So I normally, when I do the wood sanding like that, I do it outside, But the DeWalt's are really good. I mean, this in here, I've had it for many, many years. It's got the paddle button on the bottom of it. I really like that paddle button. It's going to be hard getting used to this one on the side here. It's a little heavier. But it's got more amps in it too. It's like a 7.5. But both of them are 4.5 inch disc. That's what fits on them, is 4.5 inches. So we're going to give this one here a shot and see what it's going to do and how long it's going to last. I hope we're going to get a few years out of it. But like I said, with me, I don't do a lot of grinding, but it's always good to have one that's going to run. This one, like I said, just starting to make noise, things like that. It's starting to rattle. Either rebuild it or buy a new one. I just thought I didn't want to spend a lot of money on it right now. Okay, if you have any comments, just leave them down below, and please subscribe to the channel, and I'll get back with you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.